this session, we are going to discuss about the troubleshoot the network. You will identify the issue in a network, then troubleshoot. So how you can do or what are the possible issues, we will look all about it. So network configuration issue, first is a maybe possible of the IP address. So you can run the IPADDR command to check the IP address. And also you can check the root, use the root command for the displaying the system routing tables. And initiate the ping command means use the ping to ping space host name, either ping space IP address. You can provide to check the connectivity. Okay, so if the name resolution is failure, so you can connect with the ping with the IP address, and you will not ping with the using host name. Another is also you can confirm about the remote system is online or not. So you can use the traceroute command or the ping command to check the connectivity. Same, the traceroute will define check for the route where your data is where is your reachability. Okay, so other tools which you can use to testing, using the nmap, test how many IP addresses are live, and also display the certificate of the digital certificate. If there is any issue related to the digital certificate, so you can use the OpenSSL and the client, then client and IP address over the port number 443. It will test for the certificate. Okay, next one is any type of the interface error. So you can use the if top command to display the bandwidth utilization, which computer are using, how much bandwidth, up and downlink. Both type of the bandwidth consumption can be checked by using the if top command. Okay, another is command is IPoff. So IPoff command is used checking the connectivity and how many packets are dropped. So the bandwidth, and you can check the transferring, and there is a no type of the packet has dropped. So you can use -c and give the server name either IP address. So another command is tracepath or the traceroute command is used for tracing the path from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and whatever or hop are used in between. You can check by using the traceroute command or using the tracepath command. So here is the command is traceroute -i -m 10 and CompTIA.org. Okay, so in here it will display the router address, and here it will display the round trip or RTTS, round trip time. Okay, another is the check for the troubleshooting the latency. So when you sometime you feel that your internet is not working, like it is the low speed or not working, or there is a other possibilities. So what are the common issue when you are not getting the good network speed? It is called network latency. So there is a common issues is a router issue, switch issue, configuration issue. Either there is a multiple or high traffic load. That is the reason you are not getting the proper speed. There is another type of the problem or the issue in a name resolution error. Means you are typing here google.com, but you are not able get the web page. So there is a problem with the name resolution. So name resolution, you can use the different command for checking the name resolution. One command is a resolve ctl command, query and give the domain name. So when you will provide the domain name, so this domain name associated with the IP address IPv4 as well as IPv6, both will be displayed. Not only the resolve ctl command is used, there is a other commands also used for the checking the name resolution error. One is a domain information grouper or the dig. So dig space the CompTIA org, where you will get the information of related to the IP address, domain name and the IP address and record type. So another is command you can use the nslookup. Nslookup also used for checking the IP address or the name resolution, and it will display on the which name is it was resolved. So name resolution nslookup command is used for the name resolution. Name another command is host, which is also used to generate the name resolution query. Host and space the domain name, so it will provide you the IP address of the domain name. If you are getting the domain name and the IP address, so it means it is working fine. So another command is whois. Whois command also used. Whois command used for the looking for the name servers. The detail of the name servers used by the particular domain name. So here is you can check the name server jade.ns.cloudflare.com. Another is armando.ns.cloudflare.com. Okay. So which command? Whois command. So all these commands which are used to checking the name resolution. And another problem is another problem related to the ARP. If you are trying to get the ping but you are not able to get the ping, so there is a possibilities issue with the ARP table. So you can use the ARP-A, which will display the IP address and associated MAC address, IP address and the MAC address inside the ARP table. So you can use the ARP-A option to getting this.